like that. Oh crap. I need to remove that. There we go. I need a little bit more buckets. Oh, I'm stuck. There.
Hi there, Paul here, and as expected is not prepared as always, and he is kinda stupid. Okay, now back to the video. Subscribe and leave a like.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Minecraft. And if you can hear and see, I got the kitties finally, and after about 2 days of grinding straight, I got this and this and more. And I'm gonna drop here. I don't care. Ow. There you go. I'm gonna go to the area where I mined 2 days straight, with breaks of course. There's the entrance, and there's a lot more. I got 17 diamonds and more, and this many stones, cobblestone, that many, and there's nothing here. There. And this is the area that I have dug. I know they're stupid, but I don't care. This is a big hole. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Good thing I'm safe. And also I found this thing. A zombie spawner. So I'll meet you back up there. So I will get some materials to make it, I think. Oh yeah, if you're wondering why I can't speak right, because I'm watching YouTube on my phone while I'm making videos. Yes, it's stupid, I know. I'll meet you back. Videos. We're going down there. Oh, yep. Ow. I need to be careful with that because I may destroy it. I need to block this off. There we go. Oh no, not you. Not you. Idea. Okay. That should work. We'll not allow this to get crushed. That should, and done. Yay! You can't fool me anymore. Okay. Then there's the scare sounds. There we go. Block here. Block there. There we go. There we go. Now time to dig down. more digging is needed. And I did not dig enough. As much that I did, I forgot that I need to dig more stuff. Got a price to pay for a mob spawner. There we go. This is a great source of mossy cobblestone. Great with very, very light air conditions. There we go. Wish I can get haste here. I have used a lot of pickaxe while mining there. And also, tip to whoever that's gonna dig that big of a hole this early, don't use stone pickaxe. I have used a ton of stone pickaxe, and it's not a good idea. It may be cheap, but don't do it. You'll ruin your time. Just use a iron pick. If you have a lot of gold and have a gold farm, I don't know, use a gold pickaxe perhaps? And if you're wondering what I am watching in YouTube currently, because I'm recording this with my phone in front of me while I am watching YouTube. Yes, I'm watching YouTube while doing videos. I don't know what's going on with my phone. It's a virus and I don't know how to fix it. Blah 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 blah. Moving around, now continue this. I should just need about, not a lot. It just needs to be a little bit deeper than this. Yeah, one more dip. Deep, deep. Not dip, deep. More. I have an idea. Should I put this over there? To the main area there? The hub? Or should I put the killing room around over here? Where this is? Ideas are forming. But before that, I need to mine this. That should be it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. More lighting, because I don't want to die. I also forgot that I'm gonna need some signs too. Where am I go? A little bit lower. There's a spider there. I'm gonna clear up on time. And this sends me straight up here. And this is perfect. Because it's next over here. And the entrance is here. I just need to send them up. Which should be easy. Should be. And I'm digging a hole up here. That should be enough. Now I just need to do this. Up. not this that high up. Sorry. Maybe like that. Sneak. There we go. I am completely messing this up. Slowly, there we go. Lamp. Sorry. Think it's night time. Now, think I should make a clock. Should I? Did I drop that? There we go. Press. And a clock. So I know when to go back up. Wait. I can just... There we go. Hold on. Can I put this in my offhand? No, I can't. I should be cooking stuff. I need this. There we go. There's one coal each. Yeah, it's only one. Yeah. That should be enough. I can jump down there. That's okay. Yeet! Ow. Maybe just like that. There's a mosquito. Go. Go. Where is it? It's gone. No. Nope. I need to cover this up. With what? Granite? Andesite. This andesite, not granite. Jump. Now I need some dirt just to cover this up. Hello. Give me underbarrels. Give me underbarrels. There's underbarrels. No underbarrels. You. I'm gonna do this. There we go. So this. Maybe not. I think I'm having a bit of a problem here. Give me the stuff. There we go. There. And my pickaxe broke. need to sleep first. Oh, please no. I know the instructions. Stop. Press. Go. There. Okay, good. Thank you. Hut. Just need one log from here. Give me pickaxe. Pickaxe. Yeah, I just need one. You go there. Up. Yep. Ow. Food. Pork chop. Ow. I need to heal. Move. Please. There you go. Where's my... Okay. Sorry. Mosquito was next my neck. There. Oh. There. There should be the last... What? One. No. No. Stop. That should be it. Fences too. I mean signs. And as you remember, I'm not good at planning ahead. And this is an example of what? Okay, I need more extra logs. Okay, back to this tree, which I'm not gonna finish. That should be alright. Here's the logs. Yes, it's in my inventory now. 8. That should be enough. I just noticed that my game is kinda lagging now. Science. 3 science. Go down. There we go. Give me the way in. There we go. Sunfed water source there. Type anything, so thank you. Where's the extra dirt? Move. Yeah. Move. Just shut down. Now it's a virus again. Over there. Wait. There we go. It's now fixed. Now I need torches. There we go. Torches. How can I put these torches? Or where do I put the torches? Wait a second. Nope. There we go. That should be enough. Move. Move. Did I make it right? Nope. And I need more signs. Damn it. I need more stuff. I should add a bubble elevator here. Should I? Did I add the water here or something? No. Oh, I'm stupid. Ow. More signs. Thank you. And I need some soul sand again. That's the way back again? Oh wait. Nope, I fell down there a few moments ago. It's over here. Yeah. Move. Need more stuff and it's lagging. I need some soul sand. Soul sand. Really? I don't have any soul sand. Well, I'm gonna just grab this quickly and replace that soon. I'm just gonna swim up. Swim down. Eat. There we go. Good. Good. Now got soul sand and I'm gonna return this soon or grab a new one. And also I broke the old portal. I removed it. Ow. Maybe I'm gonna redesign this. Sorry. Should this move further? Move. Torch. And there we go. so I can add some stuff. I think that's how it works. I'm gonna add that. So the zombies, yeah, I did it. Now I need to go there. So I can get more. Maybe not. Oh. Oh, thank you. And there. Maybe there. And the side. Smooth stone slab and maybe that. So it can kill zombies here. Maybe not like that. Maybe like that. So I can just that should be it. Ah, there we go. I can now kill them. Now time to go here. Something, and you don't need to run me. Yes, I forgot to remove something. That will meet me later. Remove that. Oh crap. I need to remove that. There we go. I need a little bit more buckets. Move. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. There. There we go. More stuff. I'm gonna move over here very slowly because I'm gonna check if this really works. Let me move. There we go. Like that. Then there we go. That's the full source block. There. Wait. They messed something up. Like I did. It will work. Ah. No. Stop. How can they fix this? Oh crap. Need more stuff. Then fix it. Q. Water bucket. meet you back. Okay, welcome back, and I finally figured it out. I just need to add a half slab there. Now I need to go back there. Wait, this is good. Wait, I'm stupid. I can just go out here. Remove that, this, and this, so I do not damage the system. It's not damaged enough. And before this video ends, I got test out. First, I need to fix this. Damn it, there's another one. I need to. Oh, wait, I can just go to the other side. Big brain moment. What? Yes, that's working. Oh no. What? Also that. That should remove them. Stop them from spawning here. That should be working. Should be. Parkour my way there. Ow. That's really smart. Thirsty. Where am I now? No. There's a problem with this. Over here where I can just stop them from spawning, and that system is this, and I'll turn that on soon. Then if I'm correct, there should be some zombies here. Yay, zombies. Now die. This works. Hello, zombies. Gives me XP and stuff. Yes, what are you doing there? I think that's a problem. I can't reach them. Maybe if I do this and this, jump from here to here and sneak, kill, and kill. Die. I think I'm gonna improve this, but carrot. I'm gonna improve this, but off camera. This will take me a long time, or just a few minutes to fix this. I guess that's it for this video. I have managed to finally make a zombie spawner farm or something. I'm gonna make this look good. I guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I need to edit this. This is HoodedStatue 665, and I'll meet you next time. Goodbye. Yeah.